Hello Chetan, this is Shivdev from MidhaFin, and today we'll be discussing your FRM journey with us in a short conversation. And also, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations on clearing FRM Part 1.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's begin with an introduction. So, could you please introduce yourself, Chetan?
Yeah, firstly, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm working professional with 5 years of experience in banking sector. I'm currently working with a small finance bank, and that's it. Means I was in branch banking for 3 years now, and I'm in operations risk. So I just selected this course for like to what I can say that for the exposure, for more exposure in the field of risk, especially in market. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Glad to know about you, Chetan. So, directly moving on to the questions. So, what made you consider pursuing FRM certification as a relevant choice for your professional development?
I think after COVID only I started looking at what are the options are there uh, in the market for banking professionals. So first I went through FRM. Means what I find that return on investment on this course is comparatively better than what we have in CFA and other MBA. So and second was the syllabus. Syllabus was something like very fascinating to study and understand. And the last thing that I already means I always have that interest into market risk. So somewhere I find that FRM will help me into my career to reach that point. So those are the only points. Yeah.
Okay, exactly. Like the highlighting on the return on investment and the relevance of the syllabus, and yes, your specific interest in market risk demonstrates a well considered decision, Chetan. Yeah. So further moving on, with more than 5 years of experience in the banking sector, how did you manage your demanding workload alongside your FRM preparations? Did MidhaFin's course offer any kind of flexibility or feature that made it easier?
Yeah, means after looking into the market that what are the courses available in the market, I think Midha is the most flexible one. I really find it interesting at that point also. Means there was something which was missing into my preparation was consistency. That you never know, anytime audit can come and you have to take break of 1 or 2 weeks. And some in month ending, it will be like you will going to lose whole your day. It may possible that you will lose your weekend. So somewhere inconsistency Midha really helped me. Means there are some videos which I saw multiple times. Even still, I never get bored with that. And even some units demand also, like you need to watch 2 or 3 times video. Yeah, somewhere it will provide you flexibility also. And even the person like me who not able to be consistent in this like for preparation, even it will help you in that also.
Yeah, yes, exactly. And I would like to acknowledge your consistency throughout your journey of preparation for FRM Part 1, Chetan. Yeah. So moving on to our... Yes, please continue.
No, what I was saying that was missing somewhere, but still means it went in last 2 weeks. I decided to okay, I will take leave and I will study and I will go for exam. So that way, it helped me. Yes.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So moving on, like what was your preparation strategy for FRM Part 1?
Uh, yes, you have to like differentiate between the things, what you need to remember and what you need to understand. Means there are some things like you don't need to like you have to remember the concepts like the main points, for example, the ratios which were there in the first part, and the not all the formula, some formula, but you need to identify that because the main thing about the exam is FRM will never they are not even considering that you have to like remember all the formula and everything. They are not expecting that. So somewhere and even I like seen 2 3 interviews before giving the exam. Even their focus was on the same, that you have to understand everything and not to like, but somewhere, yeah, I will say that my preparation was not that much efficient because I have like given so much hours, but still like means my result was not as I expected. So yeah, means what I will say that you have to like first differentiate in the first reading that what you need to understand, what you need to like remember. So somewhere I was lacking, but still okay. But Mida helped me in that to like it will put me in the track on the track somewhere. So
Yes, exactly. And also a special mention to your hard work and dedication too. So you did a commendable job, Chetan.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. So could you please give us an in-depth description of the FRM exam, like the kind of questions that were asked, the quality of the questions, and any insights regarding time management if there?
Yeah, I will first say about time management. He always consider if you are thinking the question is long, better to skip it and go for end one. Means even in mock test and exam also, what I saw that in first 3 hours of my examination, I already completed 80 questions because I was skipping the question which I didn't know, and I knew that it will going to take the time. So on the basis of that, and there is one more thing you need to like consider. Uh, if you have like that confusion in two options, better you select one which is best fitted for it, because you will not going to get extra time to like revisit on the question. So it's better you go and attend those questions. Means if you're going to like, if you think that you have like confusion in two questions, it will be like 50 60 questions. You will attend 40 question in first go, so that will not be that much beneficial. What I saw on like that portal, gar portal, examination portal, that it's not that much user friendly, so it will not going to help you to revise once go and revise all the questions. So it's better, it will going to save your time also, and it will going to reduce your panic in the last hour or 1.5 hours. So it's better if you have like a mm, doubt, go and select one question. And one thing, what I will say that 30 35 questions can easily be scored if you have like remember all the ratios. You have like a DVA 01 formula in the fourth unit, and in first, and your probability is good if you are, because from probability only they will going to ask 2 to 3 questions. From the ratios only they will going to ask 2 or 3 questions. From the last modeling unit they will going to ask 2 or 3 questions, and they are all direct, means you have to like put formula into it and you will get the answer. So what I understood at the time of examination, that 25 30 questions can be easily scored, and the left one, if you are like have confusion in two, so consider that you will going to score 50 in that also. So yes, somewhere I find that if you're going to study strategically, it's not possible to complete the course in 4 months.
Yes, exactly. Like your understanding about the time management and the exam's focus on conceptual clarity was right on point. And I hope that our future FRM candidates would really be beneficial by hearing that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So, in what ways did MidhaFin contribute to your overall preparation and assist you in achieving your goals?
What I will say that if someone is purchasing this course, they don't need to go for any other syllabus. Means because this video means I realized little bit late after enrolling for the exam, when I received that GAR software copy, then I realized that Midha course was take somewhere like reference of GAR book only, and GAR at the core. So if you able to like study from this course, you don't need to go somewhere else, no online portal, nothing. And even though like, and video are very full of data, even you will make note from there also, still you will like have low so many data to understand and everything. So yeah, what I will say that and even the examples what given by sir in the video, I still using in interviews also somewhere. So yeah, so I think
Yes,
syllabus is
we are.
somewhere like yes sir. So that's it.
Please continue. Please continue.
So somewhere I was saying that it will also help you in the interviews. If you'll go for an interview, it will like you can able to understand them also, that what are things in FRM part one. Yeah.
Yes, yes, we are very happy to hear that, Chetan, from you. And you also did a very commendable job as well. And speaking of your experience with MidhaFin, what was the one thing that you liked the most about us? And is there anything that could be improved to further enhance the learning experience of the future FRM students?
See, if I'll say about the syllabus, that was fantastic. Means like, and even if you will hear the like, it's not possible that sometimes you're not able to see the video. Even if you will hear that, you can able to grab so many information from there. And if I say about any changes, what I will say that education is something like it's already have so many, means there always been a area where you need to like find new things, you can innovate extra things. So what I will say that there are some topics for which he sir given us practical like uh, practical examples, but you can say 50-50, that 50% of syllabus have practical example. If we able to like give with the help of data and uh, scenarios, with the help of data and scenario, that other practical knowledge also, so that would be better somewhere.
Yes, first of all, thank you very much for your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. We really do appreciate that, Chetan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so coming on to our last question, Chetan. Looking back, for those who are preparing for FRM, what advice would you like to give to them?
I will say only one thing: try to understand the concept, be consistent. That will really going to help you. Try to relate the concept with real example somewhere. So in third book, it's all about financial product, means FNO. So you can, I think, better you go to market, see the options change, see how futures value puts are changing with the help of real example. In book two, you can able to see regression. Better go on the Excel. Already all the formulas are provided with the help of book and video. Go and check how those movements are happening. And the main thing I will say, revision. Means I got that one triple two quartile. The one I got in first book, and I always considered myself as good in market and quants. But in all the other books, I got two. And the reason behind what the revision. The revision of first book I did great, means like in very detail, so I got good quartile in that. But because of time of like I had like 2 or 3 days left in the last before the examination. So yeah, somewhere I lagged in revision and I got second. What I personally feel, because I was so good in bad in theories and good in means numerical and everything. Still, like I got two in those things. So I will say that revision is the key. If you do revision properly in the last 1 week, then you will get enough confidence to go and attend all the questions in FRM.
Yes, what you said was 100% right, Chetan. Your journey and tips will definitely benefit aspiring FRM candidates.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, and at last, like I would also like to thank you for giving us some time from your really busy schedule for this conversation to happen. And I, on behalf of the entire MidhaFin team, wish you all the very best for your FRM Level 2 exam.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, it was great having you here. It was great talking to you as well. And have a great day, Chetan.
Have a great day, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you very much, sir.
Yeah, bye.